Okay, y'all, I'm about to unbox this hair that I just got from Amazon. I do not know the name of this hair, but I will put it on the screen because I forgot and I don't have my phone with me right now. Oh, maybe I got the name on here. Nope, it don't. Virgin, yeah. Let's see. I got 16, 18, and 20, and then I got a 14-inch closure. Let me tell y'all, this is my first time getting a closure. Yeah. Oh, they sent me lashes, but I don't even wear lashes, but I might have to throw these on, you hear me? Okay. But yeah, y'all, that's what it looks like. Lashes. I'm really mad that this is not like showing what I'm doing because it's supposed to be an unboxing, you hear me? One bundle, two bundle, three, and then the closure. Okay, let me do the shortest bundle first. This one, which will be the 16-inch. I had looked at the pictures on of this hair on Amazon for like reviews, and they was looking, you know, the hair was looking good. Even this girl had put a video on there. I was like, okay, that's cute. And this is curly hair. Yeah, this hair is soft, hella soft. Yeah, stupid soft. This is the 16-inch. Clean, you hear me? What's that? 16. Let's go to 18. 18. There, right here. Y'all, this ain't the normal hair that I mean the normal company that I'll be getting my hair from, but this hair is soft. And the only reason I didn't get it from Me Lisa Hair is because this was cheaper, and I wanted a closure too, so I was like, yeah, I'm gonna fuck with this one, cause you got everything was like $100. How much was it? It was like $106. It's really, this hair is soft, and it feel like if you touching a girl's hair, that's how it feels. Hella soft. And this is supposed to be kinky curly, I think, Brazilian curly. I was gonna get some deep wave hair, but low-key they're the same thing. But yeah, this hair is pretty, especially when you like break the cast on there. Hella pretty. This is the 20-inch. Y'all already know how I'm finna be. Okay, now we can do the closure. This is a 14-inch closure. And let me tell you, I never had a closure before, and I never did one. But I know how to do one because I'm really dope with this hair shit. All I gotta do is watch a video on how to do it, and I'm gonna do it. And when I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna do a video installing this hair. So if you want to see that, make sure you come back. You hear me? Make sure you come back. You hear me? Plus, closures are easy, bro. Like literally, all you gotta do is sew it down and pluck it a little bit. And this is a 4-part closure, so you can part it in the middle. You can part it on the side. You hear me? You can part it over here, over here. You can basically part it anywhere, which is the good thing. And that's what I wanted. I wanted some versatility. And then, do this come with baby hairs? No, I don't come with baby hairs. I know how to make baby hairs though. This is the lace. I ain't even gonna have to bleach this or nothing because it look like my fucking scalp. It look like my scalp. But yeah, look how natural that look. I'm finna be the baddest on the planet, you. But yeah, this is soft too. Hella soft. And y'all know how sometimes girls be like their clothes be feeling way different than the hair. This don't feel different. This feel the same as the hair. It look the same too. But yeah, y'all. I got 3 bundles. 16, 18, 20, and then a 14-inch closure. And when I tell y'all I'm finna be slayed, honey, I'm finna be slayed. And I'm finna go see T Grizzly. You hear me? Oh my mom. But yeah, this is so pretty. I can't wait. Like, I really can't wait. But yeah, I had to give me some bundles because I've been wearing my hair since the new year, and I'm like, you know what? My hair need a break. My edge is starting to get thin. But yeah, I think my hair just needed a break. But this hair is called, let me think. I don't even freaking remember. And I can't go get my phone right now because my baby cousin watching YouTube on there. So I will put the name of the hair though. Sorry I don't remember the hair. But yeah, this hair is really pretty. And it's soft. Very soft. I showed y'all the this part. But yeah, guys, that was my little unboxing of this hair. Make sure you like this video if you want more videos like this. Make sure you subscribe if you aren't subscribed already. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Danreael_. And yes, you guys, stay tuned because I'm going to do a video of me installing this hair.